Hi, everybody. It's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and welcome to day 1 of our 12 days of giveaway. What we are doing is for 12 days, we are celebrating and highlighting you guys and small businesses that we have come to know and love, or I've come to know and love over the years of just like trying new things and showing support and all of that kind of stuff. So for our very first day, our giveaway gift is a portrait palette from a small company based out of San Francisco called Case for Making. Case for Making makes gorgeous paints. They hand make all of it. They're really lovely and gorgeous colors. I've been ordering from them for years. And then when I was trying to pick the palette for this giveaway, I saw one called Portrait, and I was like, that's perfect, because painting skin tones can be really tricky. I'm always just like, what colors should I use? You know what I mean? So I figured like having a palette that's already curated in terms of colors that you would use to paint skin is like a win. So I've swatched the colors here. You can get a feel for all of the colors that come with this. They're gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And also I'll say that I actually ordered one of these for myself. So this is the one that I've swatched out.
Right.
The winner will receive a brand new one that has not been touched. But I'm actually really excited to use this in my own work, and I can't wait to see what I paint with this. And so I really hope that our winner enjoys. Okay?
You ready?
So drum roll, please, for our winner.
All right. Stop. Judy Carter.
Judy Carter, congratulations. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for following along. I really hope you enjoy this palette. It's just fun, okay? And if you guys are interested, for those who are not Judy Carter and didn't win this fantastic palette, we're going to put all the information for Case for Making on our YouTube caption. So if you want to go take a look at what they have a lot of things. They're really fantastic. And if you're just kind of confused at what we're doing in general and didn't know about this giveaway, it's not too late to enter. You can still have a chance to win one of the small businesses gifts that we're doing for the next 11 days. So all you have to do to enter is follow us on our social channels. Essentially, each follow is an entry. So that's our YouTube channel, that's our email list, that's our Instagram, that's our Facebook, all of that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for following along, and stay tuned for day 2. Bye.